Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Sanctorum of Darkness puzzle in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete all the Abyss Islands leading to the Frost element unlock. We have a detailed video in the channel on how to get the Frost element, so please make sure to check it out. If you just finished the island that unlocks the Frost element, head toward the Sky Gate at the back and activate it. Now fly towards that island over there at the end. Once you reach this island, use the teleporter to get transported to the Sanctorum of Darkness. Once you're here, fly towards that platform and activate the circular floor switch. Now drop down and grab the square panel inside this gate, then pull it out of the socket. Go back up, grab the square panel, then take it out of the room. Place it on top of the square socket on the left side of the island, then do a force palm or force current to plug it in. Now climb back up and grab the backside of the laser device using your axiom force. Aim the laser towards the gem in front of it. Do this for the other laser device as well. Fly towards the other side and activate this circle contraption by using force current or using a force palm on the center of the circle. Doing this final step should complete the puzzle. Climb up to collect your artifact, and you can now follow the path on the right to go to the next island. And that's how to solve the Sanctorum of Darkness puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.